4.3, problem number 6. Okay, so we're thinking about a graph. We're not actually seeing any graph, but it's talking about area between -9 and -4.5, which is in the middle. And if you go 1.5 further this way, you get to -6. At 1.5 further, you get to -7.5. So we're talking in this area, in this section of the graph, the area, I'm going to take the smaller one, between -9 and -7.5, it says the area is 8. So there's a positive area here of 8. And between -6 and -4.5, the area is 10, positive 10. Now it says the total area from -9 to -4.5 is 10. So over all three of these three intervals, the total area is 10, and we have 10 here already. And there's another 8. In here, it must be -8 to cancel out the +8, making a total area of 10. So it's often best to look at the smaller intervals and figure out what you know about them before you go to the larger interval. So now I can answer the questions. What's the area between 7.5, -7.5, and -6? Well, we just figured out that had to be -8. And from -6 to -7.5, we got to do some stuff here. So now let's take this apart. From -6 to -7.5 is backwards. We're supposed to read intervals left to right. If it's backwards, it changes its sign. So I'm going to rewrite this as the negative of the integral from -7.5 to -6 of 10 times f of x. And the 10 is times this, so I can pull out the 10. And it's subtract, so I can split this into another integral, minus the integral of -8 dx from -7.5 to -6. The negative can come out, and that'll change this to a plus. And from -7.5 to -6, the area is -8. And if we take it times the -10, we get a positive 80. And if I have a graph that's staying at 8 high, so I'll make a graph here and make it 8 high, for the interval from -7.5 to -6, that's a width of 1.5 and a height of 8. So 8 times 1.5 is 12. So 80 plus 12 is 92.